Ford CEO acknowledges rising competition from Chinese pickups. Ford CEO Jim Farley recently drove Chinese plug-in hybrid pickups, including the BYD Shark 6 and the GWM Cannon Alpha, and his assessment is blunt. They are surprisingly competitive, but not yet replacements for traditional work trucks. Farley's remarks underscore a growing shift in the global automotive landscape, where Chinese manufacturers are aggressively entering established markets. Lifestyle versus work trucks. Farley clarified that Chinese pickups like the BYD Shark excel as lifestyle vehicles, offering the appearance of rugged utility without necessarily delivering the same performance under heavy load. He stated that while the Shark looks like a pickup, it doesn't handle 1,100 pounds of cargo like a Ford Ranger or Toyota Hilux would. This distinction is crucial, as many pickup owners don't regularly push their trucks to their maximum capabilities. The cost puzzle, perhaps most surprisingly, Farley admitted Ford engineers have disassembled the BYD Shark, yet remain baffled by its cost structure. "I have no idea how they make money when we tear it apart," he joked, highlighting the economic advantage Chinese manufacturers seem to hold. This raises questions about supply chain efficiency, labor costs, and potential state subsidies. Decades of experience still matter despite the rapid advancements. Farley maintains that Ford and Toyota have a significant edge thanks to decades of experience in building robust work trucks. Chinese companies simply haven't accumulated the same level of chassis know-how, towing capacity, and payload expertise. The future threat, however, Farley acknowledged that the market is evolving quickly. Chinese brands are now actively targeting the global mid-size pickup segment, which has historically been a major source of profit for established automakers. While the U.S. market is currently insulated, the situation could change dramatically within a decade as Chinese trucks improve their ability to handle serious work. The competition isn't just coming. In many markets like Australia, it's already here. In essence, Ford's CEO is sounding a cautious but realistic alarm. Chinese pickups represent a genuine threat, and ignoring them would be a mistake.